Hey guys, my name's Revishaan. Today is an exciting day because I'm going to a UCL law course, which was £200 I think for 2 days. So I've got today and tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, covering criminal law, family law, corporate law and human rights law. So I decided I wanted to do them because I obviously want to study law at university. So I decided why not get a taste of how law is like at uni. So I can't wait. I don't know anybody there. I'm not going with anyone. I'm literally going by myself, so it might be a bit awkward because I don't really want people recognizing me from TikTok. But yeah, hopefully it goes fine. This is my fit for today. My Balenciaga t-shirt, my Levi's jeans. We're meant to be wearing smart casual. I don't really know if this is smart casual, and I'm just gonna wear my Discord hoodie. This one over here. I'm also bringing my bag. No, it's not here, but I'm bringing my bag with my laptop and iPad so I can make notes, but hopefully it goes well. So I'm at the station and I need to go to London Euston, and then I'm basically walking to the lecture theatre, I think. I don't really know where I'm going, but hopefully it's yeah, good. I just popped into Itsu to get a miso soup because I'm really hungry, but somebody recognized me, the first recognized thing of the day. 3 people recognized me, which is scary because I don't want to sit there in a hall being stared at. And the thing is, I've forgotten my normal disguise, which is my hairband thingy, so I can't do anything. But yeah, I don't know my way there, so I think I've arrived at UCL, but I'm still lost. I don't know where to go. Like, this is it, but I'm really lost. I just don't know where to. Is this where am I meant to go in there, or am I meant to keep walking? I don't know. I'm looking for I don't even know at this point. I'm praying I'm going in the right direction. There's some young people. Oh my god, people are looking at me. This is really embarrassing. I don't know what to do. This is so awkward. God. But yeah, I think I found it. It's probably where these people are going. Okay, I finally made it to the place after half an hour of searching. This is a bit embarrassing, but yeah, I'm here finally. This is where I'm going, to the Darwin building. Yeah, this is a bit scary. I really don't want people to notice me.
To her head. The blows that she received were so fierce that part of her skull compressed into her brain and the main artery in her.
I think I'm going to hand over to Reese.
Yeah, okay, so our first witness at the prosecution's hall is PC Hawkins. PC Hawkins is the police officer.
Okay, so I'm halfway through my day. It's 1:30. I'm looking for my friend who's not doing the course. I just decided to have lunch with her, but it's actually going really well. I'm really interested in it. So criminal law is now over. We now have family law. So yeah, I think it's going pretty well. This is Narat or Natasha. So it's 1:50, and my lecture starts at 2:30. So she's really late, but yeah, so this is my sort of handbook that we've been given, full of the court cases. I went to something like this similar in summer, but same thing, but with debate chamber in UCL. Sorry about the wind, but I think that one was a bit better, but it was a 10-day course. Something's in my eye. It was a 10-day course, and you're in small classes instead of a big lecture, so you have one-on-one time with the teacher, professor. So yeah, that's my experience so far, but I'd really recommend it. So we've decided to eat in what's this Japanese canteen. It's a restaurant near Euston, near Goose Street, near UCL. We haven't got the food yet. We've ordered it, but we haven't got it. It's how's the day today?
It's actually pretty good. It's not raining or anything.
Yeah.
It's not that cold.
But it's yeah, I'm really hungry. I've been starving during the whole lecture. If you are a law student, I would recommend it a lot.
my own money. But I gave it all up for him. Surely that has to count for something.
It does. We'll go through it all very carefully, but it does count for something.
Hi everyone, so this is day 2 of the law course event. I'm currently getting at the station on the platform. My train's in around 10-15 minutes. I'm pretty early. It starts at 10:30 and it's like 9 o'clock right now, and I'm just going to be in London for the morning really early. Thankfully it's not going to be as awkward today because I know people going, as in like I made friends yesterday and I know who they are. So yeah, so yesterday's one, I'd give it a solid 7 or 8 out of 10. It's basically just a lecture. The summer one is better. I'd much recommend, is that even a phrase? I'd recommend the summer one a lot more than this one, because this is just like, it's not really teaching any law, it's giving information. But yeah, I enjoy it. Today's corporate and human rights law. So I've just arrived in Houston, and I'm walking to UCL now. I'm a bit lost again. I don't know why. I'm looking for my friends actually, but yeah, I've got no idea where I am at the moment.
When you got here, was anyone actually here? Do you ever
Who?
like here? Did you actually?
So we're now heading back to the lectures. We've just had lunch. Yeah, I liked it. It was really nice. She's going home, sadly, but yeah.
You need to show that you know who you're applying to, that you know the areas of law that they do, that you can talk about some of the work that they've been involved with, maybe the clients they represent if they're a firm, or maybe some of the textbooks.
I am now back home. It's been a long few days, long 2 days. It feels like I've had school for the last 7 days, and then I've got school tomorrow for the whole week, and then I'm going to Spain on Friday, and then having no sleep, and then school, and then half term. But in terms of the law course, it was very useful. They discussed so many things, for example, how to get into law, how to get your career, how to become a barrister, how to become a solicitor, where you can find work experience, where to apply for work experience. And it was a big insight into law, barristers' work, solicitors' work. It was very, I'd say, aimed at students, but it was more like, it was basically more like a lecture sort of thing, more just basically like giving you information, and it wasn't like a mock trial or like work experience. That's more of the summer course, which I'd recommend a lot more. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. It would mean a lot if you guys could go subscribe as well. But yeah, have a great day, guys. See you soon in my next upload. Bye.